This is Alin from Trimax Solutions, and today I have great news for SOLIDWORKS users in general and for SOLIDWORKS users of large assemblies in particular. Starting with SOLIDWORKS 2024, enhancements are being added in the software with every service pack. And some of the enhancements that we suggested, they were part of the top 10 listing for 3D Experience World 2024, have already been implemented in the software. So let's take a look at this assembly. It's a medium-sized assembly of about 4,365 components, and it takes quite a bit of time to load. Let's imagine you want to open it instantaneously, quickly. We're going to open it in large design review mode, right? This is not new functionality for SOLIDWORKS. We have done it before. But what is new now, it's so much easy to navigate to the assembly because breadcrumbs become available in large design review mode. Now, let's try one thing. One of the reasons that we prefer breadcrumbs to using the feature manager tree is that every time you select something in the feature manager, SOLIDWORKS has to go and find that component and is going to try to scroll up and down the feature manager. It does more than that. It needs to expand sub-assemblies or folders, and for really large assemblies, this can be very, very time consuming. So you can actually turn off, when you are in a meeting, the option to scroll selected item into view, and that kind of frees you from the tyranny of the feature manager tree. I don't really need the feature manager anymore in order to find the sub-assembly. For example, let's say I want to open the sub-assembly that contains this part. I can simply click on the part, then just to save even more time, I'm going to press the D button, D from Delta, and you can see this is the part I selected. It belongs to this sub-assembly. It belongs to this sub-assembly. So let's say I want to open this sub-assembly, and maybe the way I want to open it, I want to open it in position, the same way it's currently displayed on the main assembly. Let's take a look at the result. Look at that, it got open. And more importantly, it was open in large design review mode. This is very important. Let's try one more thing. Let's open the sub-assembly containing this. I'm going to press the D button, and I'm going to go directly to the top level sub-assembly containing this. Notice also I have the option to open it in lightweight or resolve, but let's stay with large design review mode. Alright, so you can see it got open. From here, I might want to go back to a lower level sub-assembly and open this one too. Right, so you can see everything can happen really, really fast. What else? What else can we do in this mode? So let's go back to the main assembly, and this time let's select again this sub-assembly, and from here let's open its drawing, and you can see how instantaneous I have access to a 13 sheet drawing directly from the graphic area. This is a tremendous improvement in performance, and more were reported to come at 3D Experience World 2024. Apparently in Service Pack 2, we'll get also the component preview window formats and more stuff like that. This is a great time to be a SOLIDWORKS user. You no longer have to wait a whole year to get new enhancements. We are getting some of them with every service pack. Enjoy!